Anand Rodriguez, treasurer of Guardian Sports Club. So I would like to say that we have organized this tournament in memory of late Father Gervasio Pinto, 2025. So we have been organizing this tournament for many years now. So this final will take place on 16th of November. That's our feast day. But today, Don Bosco Fatorda and Navidi Sporting played today. So it was a very fair game today. Both the teams played really very well. It was back to back, like both of them had been getting many chances, but it was in the end that Fatorda was a hand up against them and they scored 3 goals. It was the defensive lapses which created the goals. Okay. And now they'll be meeting Garden Angels for the semis on the 10th or 11th, I don't know, but it might be 10th or 11th.
What is the message for the young budding stars?
Yeah, intervillage is like it's a level where from this level the players get a chance to play in the upper division league. That is it might be third, second, first, or the professional. But most of them, the players are picked from the intervillage teams itself to get a chance to play in the professional teams. And that's the main point. Many coaches or they come to pick the players from the intervillage tournaments, and that's how they get a chance to play in the professional.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.